Wakey bakey, my little potheads. Welcome to The Bird in the Hand. This is my version of an old English pub. Um, kind of got approval from my hubby. Like, he kind of, kind of oversaw and said, yeah, I'm on the right path. It's not quite finished. I'm going to be doing some tweaking, but I got so excited. This is going to be my new fish storage room. How cool is this? Give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. I'm going to be tweaking. If you have suggestions, let me know down below. I'm so excited. Again, welcome to the Bird in the Hand. So cool. All right, get your bake on and game.